Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video I'll be showing you how I made this hairstyle from start to finish. But if you're new here or you're just seeing my video for the first time, welcome. My name is Abigail Ifoma. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate. Please do well by subscribing, like and comment. Comment down below where you're watching from and any other style you want to see next. I'll be so happy to show you guys. Thank you. So the first thing I'll be doing is to section the hair because I will start by making our own natural hair. I'm going to braid it, our natural hair. So what I'm doing is to part it and then use edge control to make the line smooth. So after getting the particular size I want, I'm just going to go ahead and start braiding. So this is how the hair is looking like. The next thing I'm going to do is to get the extension. Like I said, the extension is so long, so I'll make one side longer than the other side, and then my crochet pin, I'm going to pass it through a natural hair and then pull the short one out, just one single strand of hair out. So after doing that, the particular side that is long, I'm going to use my crochet pin to pass through the middle of the hair, as you can see me doing, and then crochet a natural hair on it. I'm going to pull it out. So that is the extension will be hiding a natural hair. That's what I'm going to do, just to hide a natural hair. After getting that, here is how it's looking like. So I'm just going to go ahead and unravel the shorter extension, that's the shorter hair. After doing that, I'm just going to go ahead and start wrapping. So I'll wrap 2 to 3 lines and then use the half of the one I unravel to wrap the hair. That's the one I didn't touch at all. I'm just going to use that one, the one I unravel, to start wrapping the whole of the hair. So before getting to the end of the end of the wrapping, I'm going to tie like 2 knots on it so it does not get loose. After doing that, I'm still going to use super glue, make it stay so the hair does not go out of it. So here is me trying to do the second one. Like I said, you pass your hair through the extension itself to hide your natural hair. After doing that, you're just going to go ahead and start wrapping. You wrap like 2 to 3 lines. After wrapping like 2 to 3 lines, then you just take a little portion and start wrapping. So that's just what you want to keep doing. So by the time you are almost at the end, what you do is you just tie a knot or twice, like so. After tying, the little strand that is remaining, you just want to go ahead and put your super glue at the tip of it so it does not go out in place. So that's just what I keep doing until I finish the whole of the hair. I don't want this video to be too long, so that's why I'm like trying to cut it short so it does not get too long. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please do well by subscribing, like and comment. So here is the last part of the hair. So I'm still going to do the same thing I did on the other one, like passing the crochet pin through the hair. That's the longer side of it, and then I'm going to pass our hair through the crochet pin and bring it out from the other side. I'm doing this method just to hide the natural hair she's having. So I'll pass the natural hair through there and then bring it out. The remaining little one that is showing, I'm still going to do the same thing just to make sure it hide everything. So the shorter part of the extension, I'll unravel them, I'll lose it and make it feel like it's our hair, and then that's what I will just keep using to wrap the hair. So I'll wrap like two to three, and then just take little portion of it and then start wrapping. When I'm about ending the hair, I'll just tie a knot. If I tie, I'll continue wrapping like you see me doing. I'll just continue wrapping. After continue wrapping, I'll take another hair and wrap again. Why I'm doing so is just to make sure that the hair does not go out of place. So at the end of it, I'm going to use the super glue to put on the tip and then wrap it. So that's just it for the hair. Guys, thank you for watching up to this time. I hope you enjoy it. Please do well by subscribing, like, comment and share with your loved ones. So that is it for the video. So I'm going to trim a little bit because I don't want the hair to, even the trimming, I just want to trim a little bit of it, not too much. And then here is me trying to put the edge control on our edges. So after putting the edge control, I'm going to show you guys the final result of the hair. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Do well by subscribing like I said before.